What's going on, guys? Joshua David here, Champions Fishing. I'm out with my best friend, brother, right here, Adam Chapman. Chapman Outdoors. You still working on Chapman Outdoors?
Yeah, I don't know yet.
He don't know yet, but anyway, you can go ahead and subscribe to his channel because it's not going to hurt anything. Follow us here on TikTok. Follow us on YouTube, Champions Fishing, Champions Kayak Fishing. I'll drop the links below. Guys, stay tuned for this because we're about to show you where we're riding for 2023, and we're excited about it.